Welcome to EDC Ideas, and let's talk about my micro toolkit for EDC. But before we start, let's talk about the use case. This is not the right setup to survive on a lonely island for 3 years. I put this set together as a small, compact and lightweight everyday carry pouch for all the use cases in the everyday world. I really like the dimensions of this pouch. It's very compact, it's fairly slim, and it's easy to throw in your backpack, in your business bag, or for example in your pocket. But let's check out the items inside. The first item is the Gerber Dime. It's a cool little plier-based multi-tool with spring-loaded pliers. I really like the tool set and the option to carry this one on the keychain. This little multi-tool comes with a blade, a box cutter, scissors, a flathead screwdriver. The screwdriver works also as a lightweight prybar. We have a nail file with a nail cleaning tool, and last but not least, we have the bottle opener. Compared to the models from Leatherman, for example the Micra or the Squirt series, this one here is not on the same level when we talk about the quality. But when we talk about the price, I think it's a great multi-tool with an excellent price-performance ratio. The next item is a small and very slim silver toothpick. For my everyday life, I love to carry a Victorinox because of the toothpick, and the Gerber hasn't a toothpick, and that's the reason why I carry this little item here. It's definitely a great option, especially after the dinner. I love to write with my own pen, and this one here is the true utility telescopic pen. I removed the keyring so that this pen fits perfectly inside the pouch. A more durable prybar compared to the flathead screwdriver on the Gerber Dime, this one here is the Multitool. I really like the design of this pry tool, and you have the option to carry this one on the keychain too. One of the best everyday carry flashlights ever, this one here is the Fenix E02R. As always, the quality of the Fenix flashlights is excellent and the functionality too. This flashlight is a rechargeable flashlight. The different modes are all you need for EDC. Always useful for the display of your smartphone or your camera, a microfiber towel. I am addicted to sharp knives, so I always carry a sharpening tool with me. This one here was a version from Amazon. You have the possibility to attach this one on the keychain too. You have a small line here to sharpen, for example, fish hooks. All in all, a great and fairly cheap sharpening tool. The dimensions and the slim design are perfect for a compact toolkit organizer like this one here. Let's talk about the next items in my micro toolkit. This one here is a screwdriver set. I found this combination in a local hardware store years ago, and I'm really happy with the small size, and I love to carry a compact screwdriver setup. We have a basic screwdriver set with the Gerber Dime and the Multitool, but I love to carry some extra bits. I really like this adapter here. It's an adapter from a standard bit size to micro bits. I love to carry micro bits in my micro tool sets, but this one here will not fit inside. Please let me know in the comment section below if you have an idea for a storage option for micro bits in a slimmer design. The pouch is a small pouch from EASTPAK. It's a pouch with a zipper and only one compartment, and a key ring to attach this pouch, for example, to your keychain. I think it's a discontinued version, and I bought this one in a local store years ago. When you want to build your own micro EDC toolkit, maybe you are looking for a scissor-based multi-tool, then definitely check out the SOC Crosscut. An excellent multi-tool for a micro toolkit or the keychain. I love the combination, the excellent scissors, and the combination that tweezers and a toothpick are included. Another great multi-tool option are the different models from the Victorinox 58mm series. This one here is, for example, the Victorinox Rambler. High quality and excellent and very useful toolset. This one here on the left is definitely a sharpening tool, but maybe you are only looking for a honing tool. This is a small ceramic rod and I really like to carry this one. The size is perfect for a small kit like this one here, and this one is also great to sharpen, for example, serrations. Please let me know in the comment section below what's in your micro EDC toolkit.